Netflix, Reddit, and Pinterest all have one thing in common. They would disappear without Amazon S3. But how does one service hold trillions of objects without ever crashing? Today, we're breaking down S3 in 100 seconds. Forget folders. S3 is object storage. Think of it like a valet for your data. You give it a file, an object. It gives you a ticket, a key, and it parks it in a bucket. You can store 5 terabytes in a single file, and you will never see a disk-full error again. AWS promises 11 nines of durability. That's 99.999999999%. Translation? If you stored a photo of your cat on S3 today, the odds of losing it are once every 10,000 years. It's basically digital immortality. But don't overpay. Use storage classes. S3 standard for stuff you need now. Glacier Deep Archive for stuff you might need in a decade. It's the difference between paying for a skyscraper and paying for a shoebox. One warning. Public S3 buckets are the #1 cause of massive data leaks. Always keep your block public access on, unless you want your private data on the front page of the news. Like and follow to keep your cloud secure.